Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Today's video is going to be on this wig. I haven't done a closure wig in a while and I wanted to bring you something that's very low maintenance. This wig came pre-ready, like bleached, plucked, curled, like all I had to do is just put it on my head and you're good to go. If you're not really big on frontals and you want really good quality hair as a closure wig, this is the wig for you. This wig is by Ali Pearl. I have used their wigs over the years. This is a company I can definitely say I can recommend. But yeah, like I'm so amazed at how quick this took me. All I had to do was cut off the lace and put it on. HD lace as well. So let us get straight into the video. Okay, so this is the wig. Just putting on the wig. It has an elastic band which is in the right place. So it's secure. I've noticed that a lot of these wigs lately have not been putting their elastic bands in the right place. So it's just like useless. But this is in the right spot. It also came, as you can see, also came curled. So like this has little to no maintenance and just saves you time if you're not really like good at curling or just don't have the time. You can just like throw this on and be out the door. Well, this is actually HD lace, so which I like. It's some tinting spray. This is the one from WIG Gurus. Looks like that, and I usually mix the two of their shades. Caramel frappe and finest mocha. 2 parts caramel frappe, 1 part finest mocha. Just gonna flatten this. And this is 24 inches. Like this. Taking the Ebin Wonder spray, the red one, so spraying that over the lace. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly put this on the band. see. I'm gonna try and shape this a little bit. I'm gonna cut the front just slightly. Also, did I mention that the hair is jet black? I usually would dye my hair when I get my wigs, but this is actually black, so I won't even need to dye it, which is pretty good. Like, this is like probably the most low maintenance wig I've ever had. It's a closure and it almost looks like a frontal. It was bleached, it was plucked, it was dyed jet black. Everything is just like good to go, honestly. Little to no styling. I just needed to just like neaten off some of the curls, but like this is great. Obviously with layers this would look really nice, but yeah, I want to get someone to do some really cool layers for me, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is. But this is great, guys. This is like so good. We are gonna leave it like this because we don't need to do much curling, honestly, much styling. This is like so great. I'm not sure of the density, but it's like a pretty good density as well. Seeing some flyaways, let's just get that down. But like the quality of the hair just feels really luxurious, honestly. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I do, like I said, I do want to put some layers in, but I think I'm gonna take that to have that done like professionally, because yeah, I'm not the best at layering hair. The hair is so bouncy, like it's so nice. Honestly, there's literally, you don't have to do anything to it. It is so nice. Like, I highly recommend. And I'm pretty sure this is definitely longer than 24 inches. So I feel like you get probably like a couple more inches thrown in. Feels like 200 or maybe 250 density. I will put the density down below. It does have a nice volume, nice density. I will put the info down below as usual. Yeah, very happy with this. Ali Pill hair. You saw me with the lace. Like, all I did was cut it off and it just laid so well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.